Like some kind of spell, dirt bikes lure me into an enchanted state. I can waste hours tinkering with their components and find great satisfaction just having one sitting in the shed. This blissful burden has steered me into the path of those who have the same insatiable desire to build and ride fast motorcycles. It's like we share the same disease.
Explain exactly what's going on here, Jeff.
In 2012, I bought a very second-hand CR250 and had just 3 weeks to get it ready to race the Australian 4-day Enduro Championship. With the help of Ballard's Off-Road, I made it to the start line. The old 07 CR made it across the finish line with flying colours. Sort of. But that's another story. I know what you're thinking. This guy cannot be serious, sitting there like a boss on this smoky old heap of shit. Well, this old heap of shit is the last of its kind. A 2007 Honda CR250R, one of the best dirt bikes ever made. Some would say it's a big call, but I think this old girl could still run with any current model two-stroke. There's plenty of fight in her, that's for sure. But sooner or later, something's got to give.
Shit. I think this poor old girl needs a bit of TLC. Steve.
Hey.
Got a new project for you, mate.
Oh, mate. Where did you get that from?
It's mine.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, so what are we going to do?
A lot.
So it's straight back to where it all began, Ballard's Off-Road, which from 2016 has merged with Australia's superpower accessory supplier.
Right, I'm on MX store. What do we need, mate?
Clutch levers all flogged. I'd say seat cover, chain sprockets. What are these bar raisers off? They look like something off a bloody old Mako. Plastics. Maybe some graphics.
And once again, I find myself in the company of another who is under the two-stroke spell. Steve Moritz, a man who lives and breathes dirt bikes. Steve runs his own motorcycle dealership, is a suspension specialist, and can bring the best out of any bike.
Special delivery for Psychology Corns, there you guys.
Bloody hell, that was quick. That's bars and everything.
When you're this deep in the two-stroke trance, very few people can help you.
Pipe, the pipe's had it.
What do you reckon? Chuck it in the bin?
No, I've got just the person for that.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
The pipe king.
Are you the man they call the Pipe King?
They call me the Pipe King, mate. I am the Pipe King.
Is she too far gone, or can you bring it back to life?
Not even a challenge.
You reckon you got that covered?
Not even a challenge, mate.
CR250.
We can repack that, polish that, make that sexy too.
Genuine Honda parts only for this engine. The CR has a solid reputation for reliability, and I plan to keep it that way.
Here you go, bud. Hope you're happy with that, man.
Holy shit. You really are the Pipe King. Look at it.
Looks mint.
Can't believe anything else. Look at that bloody thing.
Oh mate, that's turned up so well. That's such a nice bike, that CR.
Is this an 08? RM?
Yeah,
Whose is it?
that's mine.
No.
Yeah, this is the last. I ride it all the time. Love it.
It's on now.
No spectators, no checkered flags, and no trophies. Just a couple of worn-out blokes going for it on obsolete bikes. We're like puppets of this moto syndrome. If we're riding, we're racing. This is the addiction. This is the two-stroke trance we choose not to resist. This motocross stuff just isn't enough. I need an off-road hit. Give me rocks, logs, anything. Okay, I'll admit it. I have a problem.
That's another crazy adventure. For plenty more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, AReman1. See ya.